These are quite big. That means there's some big fish in here for real then, man. Wow, look at it. Oh. Oh, it feels big. Oh, it's fighting. First time fishing. Okay. Reel. Go on. Wagwan. Welcome back, beautiful people. Alright, so today guys, for the first time in Australia, I'll be going river fishing. Yeah, so this is interesting, and the reason why I'm going river fishing is because of someone, you see me? And this person is a co-worker, a good brethren of mine, you see me? And yeah, gonna introduce you guys. Who we have here?
Hi, how are you?
So introduce yourself, bro. What's your name?
My name is Simeon from here.
Yeah. And where are you from?
I'm from Sri Lanka.
Yeah, Sri Lanka.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, so who would have thought a Jamaican and a Sri Lankan linking up in Australia? You know what I mean? So yeah guys, we've been saying we wanted to go fishing for a while now, and today that has finally happened. Yeah man, and I'm gonna try out this river. Yeah, a guy from work said that it's best to fish in summer, but we're gonna try it out regardless and see, you know. Yeah, this kind of like look like a dam kind of settings. Beautiful area though. You know, Sri Lanka and the West Indies always compete in cricket. Yeah man, one time we linked up before guys, and it was to play cricket. He came by the house and we played some cricket for a while. I've been playing cricket since my teenage years, you see it. So, and also we have some prawn baits. We asked one Aussie guy and he says it's best to use surfer's lure, but the guy also said that it's best to fish in summer, because winter it's a bit cold and the fish don't really bite. But let's see. So these are his fishing rods, guys.
Yeah.
He say he doesn't know how to use the rods, so
Yeah, see, you already broken.
yeah. I'm not an expert, but you know, I can show him a few things, you see.
Fish is that things.
Yeah. Yeah, so I gotta rig up these guys. Let's stick around.
One.
Yeah. Like it. So you never cast a rod before?
No. It's first time.
So in Sri Lanka, do you do like online fishing, or have you never fished before?
We are not going never fishing.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, some people is going to fishing, but I'm not going.
Oh.
It's first time.
Yeah. So interesting. This is first time, guys. Rigged up all the lines now, and we're gonna go fishing. Ready?
Yeah.
Alright. Which one you bringing? Because I think up there it's a good idea to go.
Yeah.
Bring the prawns.
Yeah.
It's recording.
Yeah.
I'll film you. So first you have to introduce yourself. You know, and tell them what you are doing today. So introduce yourself first, and then tell them what you're doing here today.
Hi, I'm from here. I'm from Sri Lanka. We are coming for today the fishing, river fishing, with my friend Terrell.
Yep.
He's in Jamaica. It's first time my life is fishing experience. Let's see what is going on.
That's how you do it. You have a YouTube channel, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and what's your YouTube channel called?
Fly to Aussie.
Fly to Aussie.
Yeah.
Why did you choose that name?
We are from to Australia.
Yeah.
And that's why we choose that name.
Okay.
Fly to Aussie.
Yeah.
And everyone have the dream.
Yeah.
Then we can successful your dream.
Yeah.
That's why we choose that name.
Yeah. It's really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys. So I want you guys to go over to his channel and subscribe. Let him know that I sent you over. All right. So yeah man, go subscribe to his channel, guys. Yeah man, watch his videos and give him some encouragement, because he's kind of shy to do YouTube. But he has lots of videos out on his channel, but the thing is that he just doesn't talk. Yeah, so I tell him to talk in the videos, you know, and yeah, to get better. So yeah man, link will be down in the description. Check out his channel.
Okay,
Yeah.
is it tight? Tight? Yeah. Then loose the hook.
Yeah. That's for throwing out.
Yeah.
Yeah, so reel it up.
Strong. Strong tail.
And when you're throwing it out,
Yeah.
you're gonna go like this. So you hold here and make sure that is kind of up there.
Yeah.
Go like that,
Yeah.
and then you release. Yeah, so when you release, you let go of the line here.
Line.
Yeah. Right. It's probably gonna take some practice, but you'll get it.
Yes.
Yeah. We're gonna try it out up there.
Like this, right?
Huh?
Like this.
Yeah, hold on. You can just hold it with probably 1 or 2 finger.
Like this.
Yeah. And then you release. When you release, you let go of that. Careful, yeah. He's trying to it, guys. Yeah, that's it. Hopefully it doesn't get stuck there. Yeah, then you reel. So we have to put the bait on. We have to put the bait on. The bait is not on yet. That was just a test run, guys. Yeah. Hopefully it doesn't get stuck. Alright. That's it. That is it. Yeah. Oh, wow. Look at this.
Oh.
Those are some big fish scale. These are quite big. That means there's some big fish in here for real then, man. Oh yeah, sit to me. So putting on the first prawn. I had these prawns in the fridge for a while. Quite old. Yeah. Let's go up here. Let's go.
Let's go.
Try here.
First time in.
First time fishing it. Oh my god. He always say that he wants to go fishing, guys. So we're here. Wow. Huh? Yeah, just throw in there. Yeah. Oh, wait. Reel it up. Reel it up. When you're throwing it out, you don't want so much length down there. Keep going.
Like that?
Keep going. A bit more. Yeah. Yeah, so you have to keep it up there. Yeah.
Enough?
And then you remember, release this one. Yep. And then you throw. As you throw, halfway you release. There you go.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it. Then close that. Yep. Keep a bit of tension on it. Let's close it. Yeah. Then you just keep a bit of tension, and then you just wait for a bite, hopefully. Yeah.
Just wait.
Yeah, that's it. Then hopefully if you feel the line like shaking or anything like that, yeah, you keep an eye out, or if you feel it something pulling the rod.
Yeah, then
Yeah. That's it. We're here, guys. So my time to go out now. See what's there. Oh, there. Hopefully we at least get a bite. Are you getting a bite? You sure? Reel it. Oh, what happened? Was that a fish for real? Or was it stuck? The bait just fell off. I think so.
Something like it's very,
Like he was pulling?
yeah, very heavy.
Yeah. Yeah. That's funny. Can you use like 1 or 2 finger? Yeah. Cool. Oh my god. Release. Oh. Where is that? Oh, it wrapped around there. Reel up. Yeah. Where did it go? There. So instead of it going there, guys, it went down there. Careful. Got it. Much better. You sure?
What's going on?
It could be just the rocks. It could be the rocks that it's the current is pushing it against the rocks, so it feels like a fish too. The bait's still on here. Yeah, the bait come back the same way, which I'm gonna have to find a remedy for these fish, because I don't figure it out as yet. Oh, let's tighten this. Yep. There we go. There. Yeah, reel it up. He's putting on the bait for the first time, guys.
Okay.
Yeah, that looks good. Yeah.
First time.
Yeah.
Good experience.
Yeah, fisherman, come here. So guys, my camera battery died on me, but I had to go back for the camera to show you what I caught.
You are the man.
Some kind of eel. I'm even scared of it, guys. So this fish, an eel, I don't know. Do they have that in Australia? That is crazy. Oh, it got tangled with your line. Oh, it's another line. You got stuck? No way. I never thought we'd actually catch something. Oh no!
It's an eel.
Yeah, I would assume it's a eel. Whoa! Oh no! Shoot! Look at it, guys. Look at it.
That is a good fish. Yeah.
She's stuck.
Stop.
I think it's stuck.
In my one out.
Yeah. My camera battery died when I felt the bite, guys, so I couldn't show you. Oh no, look at it go. So we're trying to find out what kind of eel it is, guys. Trying to Google camera pic. Like a close-up. Look at it, guys. So apparently it's a freshwater eel. Yeah, guys. Look at it. Ooh, it's like a snake in my hand. Oh my god.
Oh yeah!
Woy. I never had any confidence that, that I would get something. Oh my god, it's so sticky. Look at that. All of this just stick to man. Yeah, some kind of clam.
I thought the light is a big one.
Yeah.
Today someone catch two clams.
Really, they're in this river?
Yeah.
Oh
Chill.
yeah.
Let's go.
Oh. So, oh, you say hello in Sri Lanka is Ayubowan?
Ayubowan. Yes.
Yeah, so
Ayubowan.
that's how they say hello. And
Ayubowan.
Ayubowan Manley is
Ayubowan
hello,
is
brother. Yeah.
Ali's brother.
Yeah. So he's teaching me, guys.
Yeah.
So how many language do you have in Sri Lanka?
We have three language.
3 language.
Yeah. One is Sinhala.
Singular?
Other one English.
English, yeah.
Other one Tamil.
What's that? Tamil?
Tamil.
Okay.
Tamil.
Wow.
We have three main language in Sri Lanka.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you speak, which one is yours?
Sinhala.
Single.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sinhalese.
Oh, cool. Yeah.
My mother can speak in Tamil
Yeah?
and Sinhala and English.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow. That's really good.
Yes.
And they teach all of them in school, like,
Yeah.
yeah.
We have subject.
Yeah.
We are grade 6.
Yeah.
Start to study in language Tamil,
Oh, okay.
Sinhala and English.
Okay. That's interesting. Yeah. How long have you been in Australia now?
Now 1 year.
1 year?
Yeah, complete 1 year.
Cool. Yeah. What are you loving it comparing to your country?
Our country is tropical country.
Yeah.
Nice. No winter time.
No winter.
Yeah.
Same for me.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's very hot in here winter time.
Yeah, the cold.
Yeah, cold. very
Yeah.
cold.
I can relate.
And other things, it's good.
Yeah.
It's good. Good money.
Yeah, yeah, definitely.
Everything here have
Yeah,
better life.
yeah,
Yes. Now Sri Lanka's economic going down,
yeah.
and you know some politics and things.
Not good.
Yeah, it's not good.
Not good.
That's the things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that's great, bro, you know. And you realize this is all from the flood.
Yeah.
You realize all the trees are laying this way because of the big flood. None of the trees are standing anymore, guys. They were all up, now they're just like that. Yeah, never been down this part, guys. Me and Babes, when I just came to Australia, we actually came here at this dam. I don't remember if we vlogged it, but yeah, I think we actually did vlog it. But yeah, man, but first time going down this, and yeah. Yeah, guys, so me and Kamira, we work together in the same place, and that's how we met. Yeah, man, real cool brethren. One thing with these rocks, they're very slippery. Like in Jamaica, the rivers, you can walk on the rocks.
Really?
Yeah, like because it doesn't get slippery like this. The only time it does get slippery is when you don't have rain for a long time, and it's like the moss start to grow on the rocks.
Yeah.
But once the rain fall heavy, all those moss wash off, and you can walk on the rocks very easy.
Wow.
But I realized the rivers here, it's like this very hot. You can't even walk on these unless it's dry.
It's slippery.
Yeah, very slippery.
In Sri Lankan rivers, it's very deep.
Very deep.
Very deep, yeah.
Yeah.
We cannot go.
Okay.
Because very high water.
Yeah.
Very deep.
Okay.
Deep rivers.
So you guys eat a lot of curry like India as well? You guys cook a lot of curry?
Curry, yeah.
Yeah. It's a big thing.
Make this is a rice and curry.
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of people like that things.
Okay.
We famous. We have one dish is kottu.
Yeah.
Like that kind of making roti.
Yeah.
We use a flour.
Yeah.
And then we can put chicken and beef, whatever you want, meat.
Oh, nice.
And fish, yes, and some vegetable.
Nice.
And it's nice.
Yeah.
Another thing is hopper. Egg hoppers and plain hoppers. That one is a rice flour.
Yeah.
And put the milk, coconut milk.
Yeah.
And then we make the hoppers.
Oh, nice.
That's the main one.
Yeah.
Very famous.
Interesting.
Yeah.
So what country are you guys like border with?
Nearest country?
Yeah.
India.
Oh, India.
And Maldives.
Maldives.
Maldives, yes.
Oh,
and
cool.
yeah, that is the nearest.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, interesting.
Pakistan, and after that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because when I just even start working there, like the first thing when they realize I'm Jamaican, everybody start talking about West Indies. Was it the same for you? Just cricket, everybody just be talking about?
Yeah. Nobody knows in the Sri Lanka because our country is small.
Yeah.
We cannot find it. They cannot find it.
Yeah.
Everyone, but we are famous to cricket.
Yeah.
Then everyone know to the Sri Lanka.
Everybody loves the cricket, especially Australia. They love the cricket. So that's a good thing.
And best things in they have a lot of tourism.
Yeah.
Tourism, yes.
Yeah.
Very beautiful.
Same.
They have a lot of activities. Hi, how are you?
Hey mate.
Good.
Yeah.
A lot of activities in there.
Yeah. That's really good. Yeah. Because I watch a lot of videos from your country as well, and I realize it's very tropical for real. Lots of YouTubers go in there too.
Yeah.
I realize that.
World famous YouTubers.
Yeah. That's a big YouTubers. Yeah, it looks like a real beautiful country, man. After that drama with the eel, going out again. Let's see. I would love to see a fish, guys. So hopefully. Oh, I'm getting a bite. Second bite. I hope it's not another eel. I heard that there's bass here in the river, and also another one, I can't remember the name. And they actually grow big, so that would be interesting to see. But I heard that it's best in summer anyways. Oh, I'm getting a bite. Second bite. I hope it's not another eel. Just test the waters. Oh, there's something on. But it's not really fighting though. What is this? It's not even fighting. Oh no! Come here! Oh no! I caught a turtle, guys. Oh shit. Must be a freshwater turtle. Oh no. That's why it wasn't fighting. I'm gonna have to release it. What? Are you serious? Don't know if they bite or what, but not taking any chance. It's a turtle. Turtle? Yeah. Trying to take the hook out though. Hold pressure on it? Yeah. There we go. Hook is out, guys. Let's take a look at him. Should take a picture of it.
Okay,
It must be
okay.
fast.
Relax, relax.
The food, the prawn is still in its mouth.
You are now free. Don't worry. Don't worry, you are free.
That's a first for me. Look at it.
Oh,
Wow.
scary.
Look at this. It's like big. You want to show them? We're gonna release it after, guys. He's just gonna show his family. That's funny. I underestimated the river, guys, but it's fun to come out here and fish, you know. Yeah, man. We were supposed to link up like months ago, and it's finally has happened. Every weekend we say we're gonna link up. It never happened, but today is the day. Yeah, man, we're fishing today. It would be good to see him catch something for the first time as well. That would be great. But let's see, stick around. Yeah, man, 1 eel and 1 turtle. That's a good look. And also, guys, I want you to check out his channel. His channel is called Fly with Ozzy. If I'm correct, I'll ask him again. But yeah, I'll leave a link in the description and also pin in the comment section so you guys can check out his channel. All right, stick around. Time to release him. Then put him in the water. Wow.
Yes. See ya.
Wow. Here it goes.
There we go.
That's crazy. Look at it, it's swimming there. I'm gonna let him try the lure, guys. Let's see. When it's very light though, but this is how they do it. Like that. And they hopefully you get a bite. So that's what they do, and a fish will chase it. Yeah.
That one easy, I think, no?
Yeah?
Easy.
Yeah, easy. Yeah. It's not going very far though, because it's quite light. When the lure. That's it. Oh, fish! Just got another bite, guys. Hope it's not a eel again. Oh, it feels big. Oh, it's fighting. Ooh. Come here. Come here. Wow, this must be a fish. No way, this is a eel. Ah, come here, come here. At least show yourself. Oh no, it's another eel. It's another eel.
Second one.
I wish it was a fish.
Oh.
This one is bigger. Oh my god.
You are the man, Taylor. Yes. Man for the man of the day.
This one is even much bigger. Oh.
Look at. Oh.
Careful, careful.
Wow.
I'm trying to get it around. Hold this.
Yes.
Shoot.
Second one.
Ooh.
Oh, biggest one.
Big. Oh my gosh. Look at this. This is big. Guys, are you seeing this? Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's trying to wrap around and probably gonna try to burst it.
Oh.
The way it was fighting, I thought it was like a nice fish.
Very nice fish.
Guys, the river has excitement. I thought it was gonna be a dull river fishing, but it has excitement. Look at that. Oh, the hook come out. Getting a bite, guys. Okay. Reel, reel, reel. Reel, reel. Go on. Wait. It's still on? Oh, I think it stopped the line. No. Give it some. Release it a bit. Release it a bit. There was a fish on. Oh no, it seemed like it went and stuck the line.
Stuck line?
Is it free? Reel, reel? Reel it up. Still stuck? Oh no. This one, wait, yeah, hook. Go on, should be on, no? Reel, is it stuck?
Yeah.
Oh no. You serious? Oh my gosh. So we have 3 rods set off, guys. Alright guys, so we're gonna pack up now and leave. It's sometime after 1 I go to 2, you know, something like that. So we're gonna pack up and leave this place. Well, it was a great day overall, guys. Good fun time. Yeah man, and link up with my brethren. Yeah. Catch 2 eel, 1 turtle. The river never disappoints. You lift this up, face down there, and that's it.
You'll be learning a lot of things.
Yeah, so when you go on your own, you can know what to do it too, you know? Yeah.
What is the name of this one?
They call it sinker.
Tinka.
Yeah, or weight. Yeah.
Tinka.
Yeah.
Didn't you want water?
No, I got water. Yeah, thank you. Hey.